Next, we're going to talk about collinear and coplanar points. Collinear, I want you to think about the word, break it down. Co and linear. That word linear should sound familiar, especially from Algebra 1. So linear means a line. A line. So collinear points are two or more points on the same line. On one line. On the same line. So for example, I could have point A, point B, and point C all on one line. I can say that A, B, and C are collinear. But what if they're not collinear? What does that look like? What does that mean? So if they're not collinear, two or more points not on the same line. So I want to refer back. I'm going to redraw my line ABC. Again, A, B, and C are collinear. They're on the same line. But if I add point D here, A, B, C, and D are non-collinear or not collinear. Can you look at this example and find another set of collinear points? Are there any? Are there any 2 points that are sharing a line? Anybody? Thoughts? Possibly? What about D and B? That is an option. Next, let's take a look at coplanar. Again, kind of a strange sounding word, but coplanar, think about what we've talked about today already. What does that word planar make you think of? Plane. Things on a plane. Again, not an airplane, a surface plane, a geometric plane. So a plane. So things that are coplanar are two or more points on the same plane. So I can have a plane over here and points H, K, and those are going to be connected, and point J. Then I could also have a point out to the side over here. Maybe it's floating in a plane above or below. I'm going to call that point Q. So I can say H, K, and J are coplanar. They are all together. But we have to think about what if they're non-coplanar. So two or more points, not on the same plane. So referring to my plane above, Q is not on the plane. So Q, H, J, and K are non. I'm going to make this guy red. There we go. Coplanar. There we go. So that's the difference between collinear, non-collinear, coplanar, and non-coplanar.